We have access to more information at faster speeds than we have at any point in history. So how is it that we find the truth harder to reach, a baseline of understanding more or less impossible? The 1948 Nobel Prize winner T.S. Eliot said in his play The Rock, "Where is the wisdom we have lost in knowledge? Where is the knowledge we have lost in information?" And here's the issue. Our schools teach a rigid system structured around finding a set solution, not an understanding of the problem. Children, show your work! Society favors the best followers, best employees, best students, and those who work best within a defined system. We only really herald the outliers of success and punish those who dare try and fail for ever daring to step out of line in the first place. Know your place! We tell children they can accomplish anything, and then we tell them what they want to accomplish. Some teacher, "You can be anything in the world, an astronaut, a doctor, a lawyer, the president." Oh man, I really want to restore and service vintage cars. Ugh, not a mechanic. Aim higher. You can be anything. But I love engines and I like working with my hands. You're selling yourself short. You'll never be successful as just a mechanic. So somewhere along the way, wealth became the prime goal and money the universal scorekeeper. But we lost sight of where wealth comes from. Peter Drucker, the Austrian-born entrepreneur and management consultant, often lauded as the father of modern management, said it best. We know now that the source of wealth is something specifically human: knowledge. If we apply knowledge to tasks we already know how to do, we call it productivity. If we apply knowledge to tasks that are new and different, we call it innovation. Only knowledge allows us to achieve these two goals. If I might deign to throw in my 2 cents with T.S. Eliot and Peter Drucker, we have been leaving out perspective. If knowledge is the pinnacle of wealth, and in many ways the cornerstone of humanity, a single piece of information, equipped with the knowledge of 3 equally intelligent people and strained through their individual perspective, will often yield 3 significantly different nuggets of wisdom.